Micro AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, offering lightweight, hyper-efficient models specifically designed for edge devices like smartwatches, IoT sensors, drones, and home appliances. This cutting-edge technology enables real-time data processing and decision-making directly on the device, eliminating the need for constant cloud connectivity. Imagine your smartwatch analyzing your health data instantly, or your smart home system making immediate adjustments based on real-time inputs, all thanks to micro AI. One of the biggest advantages of micro AI is its ability to deliver low latency and local processing, which is critical for applications in industrial automation, smart homes, and healthcare. In these environments, every millisecond counts, and the ability to process data locally means faster responses and more efficient operations. For example, in industrial settings, micro AI can help monitor machinery in real time, predicting and preventing failures before they happen, thereby enhancing productivity and reducing downtime. In the realm of smart homes, micro AI takes convenience and security to the next level. It allows home appliances to operate more autonomously and intelligently, learning from user behavior and adapting accordingly. Your smart thermostat can adjust temperatures based on your preferences and habits, while security systems can detect and respond to potential threats instantly. This not only enhances user experience but also significantly cuts down on energy consumption and operational costs by optimizing performance locally rather than relying on remote servers. Healthcare is another field where micro AI is making a significant impact. Wearable devices equipped with these AI models can monitor vital signs and health metrics in real time, providing immediate feedback and even alerting medical professionals during emergencies. This capability ensures timely interventions, potentially saving lives while also reducing the burden on healthcare infrastructure by allowing continuous patient monitoring without the need for constant human supervision.